In this video I want to share two of my biggest tips that I can give you if you want to create gigantic AI agents, gigantic AI automations. The first thing is about building these AI agents. You should build reactively, just like you saw it in a lot of my videos. So build a structure for the AI agent, make it really simple, and then add a tool. See if it works, add another tool. See if it works, add another one. And so you can go on until your system breaks. This is at least how I see it, reactive creating, because you can always add something new and see if it works. If it doesn't work, you know until what point this stuff is working. So you can absolutely understand and know what you need to fix. If you add a bunch of tools at once, like 10 or 12 tools, like 5 or 6 sub-workflows, and the sub-workflows are also gigantic, your application can eventually break. And then debugging is a mess, because you do not know what exactly did get wrong. This is one of the biggest tips that I can give you. And the second thing is also reactive prompt engineering. Yes, we have this ChatGPT agent, this GPT, that we can use in order to write these prompts. But what I like to do most is, of course, also the reactive prompting. We add one tool, we test it. If the tool will not really work, we also add a line to the prompt, to the system prompt, and then we can basically build and prompt reactively. If something breaks, we know exactly what broke our system. Maybe it's 1 or 2 sentences in our system prompt. Maybe it's one new tool that we have included. If we do every single thing at once, if we build out 100 tools at once and a gigantic system prompt and our system works not robust, we don't have any clue what is going wrong. The debugging is a complete mess. This is one of the biggest tips that I want to give you. Basically, these are 2 tips: reactive building and reactive prompting. This will save you a lot of time, even if you are slower at the beginning, but the debugging will work a lot faster. So you can totally do this.